Beats by Zero.
What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again with the Skyline. My name is Lewis. My brother is recording me. He owns the fucking Sylvia over there. I know it's been a minute, so I'm gonna give you guys the rundown right now. I'm just gonna jack up the car because my exhaust is broken. Like, it's basically cut in half. It's cut in half.
Pretty much like a crack somewhere there. Maybe you can see it. I don't know. It's somewhere there. His exhaust is cracked from last season. And it's also old too, though.
Yeah, so it's already old. It's a HKS high power exhaust, and I recently got a new one, which is the same brand. It's the exact same thing. And prior to like putting it, I want to do like before and after sound clip, like the sounds, right? So I'm gonna start that up soon, and I'm gonna start this up, so I'm gonna move it. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog it so you guys can kind of gauge it, and I'm gonna put this as how to install an HKS exhaust. So.
Ooh wee!
Okay, let me start it. Yeah.
There you go, guys. He's about to start it. First start up, cold start. Damn good. Damn, bro. Fail. Epic fail.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna fry my ECU, bro.
So guys, round two.
I'm gonna fry my ECU, and after that, I don't have
Round two. Check the sound clip. Yeah, it's dead. We'll just charge it for now. Move this thing out of the way, and yeah, should be good. All the batteries are dead since it's been sitting for so long. If you guys don't know, we live in Canada, so we don't drive these cars. Pretty much like 8 months of the year, it just sits.
How dirty this fucking car is. Show it to them, yo. Like on top. Neglected. The people will be watching this be like, why don't you wash it? Why don't you wash it?
It's dirty.
I just want to show you guys what I got. So this is the HKS high power exhaust, the one that I have inside on my car right now. But of course this is like the newer one. Pretty clean. Look at those welds, baby. Shit. But it's nice because I like it how like they made it black. And then yeah, I just have to take off the old one and then put this one today. So
2 hours later.
We pretty much just charged it. He's ready to go. So take four. Just kidding. Hopefully it starts.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Like it needs to be parked. So my car right now. That's good. Holy, you want some Arby, baby? Holy fuck, it's loud, but this is what it looks like. That's what the bottom is cracked over there, as you guys can see. But
so yeah, you guys can see Lewis is working on it. Pretty much, yeah. Just 2 bolts right there, and the other one, and you guys can see that's cracked. It's barely on there, so that's why he's replacing the whole cap back. You guys don't know, this is an HKS high power from Japan. It's seen better days. It's old. Lewis got the same exhaust. Shout out to iRace.
give me a second.
We're gonna put it on. So
I'll show you guys how to take it off.
me, it's 2 bolts, man. Self-explanatory.
Hey, something works.
Yeah, we back, baby. Summer 20
Work on our cars,
23. There you go. Now this is out. You guys can see that it's barely on. So all he does to do is pretty much take off the hangers, drop this, pretty much done from there. And then it's pretty straightforward. All he has to do is like, look at this, it's about to break, guys. Look, that's what I've been driving on, dude. That's why it's so fucking loud. Yeah, it's fucking massive exhaust leak. Look at that. It's like flexing, but yeah, he'll probably bring up the new exhaust in a bit, but we're working on this. So I'll put you guys down.
So this is what it looks like. Oh fuck, some elbow grease, but it's pretty straightforward. So basically, I would say take it off from your test pipe, right? So 2 bolts over there, 14 mil, and then it's just connecting all the way at the back. The back has like 3 hangers. So basically, 1 over there, 1 right here. Then after that, this one, 3rd one, and then the middle one right there. So it's good for the people that are trying to change their exhaust, just in general. Not, you don't need to have a Skyline or anything, but I'll show you guys the one that I got. So brought it here upstairs. It was downstairs, so this is what it looks like. HKS high power, 4.5 inch. I should be wearing gloves or whatever. This is like the old one. It rusted the fuck out. But so that's the old one, new one. So we'll see. Kuya.
Oh, polishing my
Damn,
pipe, baby.
son, why is it black? Shit.
I'm black from the waist down, baby.
Damn, you guys didn't even see this, but yeah, look at this shit. Ta-da! That's what I was like driving on, man. It's about to break, kid. Damn, girthy, yo. Girthy and it's dark, yo. Shit, eh? But yeah, so now we're just gonna install this. Like, not gonna lie, I think this one might be the fastest install ever.
You jinxed it, man.
I know I jinxed it, but it only took us like what, 10 minutes to take off the old exhaust, and now we'll see what's gonna happen. Installing it. Yeah, it's still pretty early, so let's get to it, Kuya.
Let's go, baby.
Loading it right now. So basically, we put it on, put the hanger first, and after that, we're just gonna like put the muffler and everything. So it's pretty straightforward. I just need to tighten all the bolts, and then after that, we'll be good to go. So.
Finished installing the exhaust. You see, it's now VIU spec. Just kidding. HKS. Perfect. So that's the new. This is the old one. Oh, it already cracked. So do the startup. Rev it.